Hello. Welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today, as I said from the earlier video, we're going to be doing a series of Loveworld songs. And I'm going to be teaching a song by Sophie again, Alpha and Omega. And I'm still going to be using, C sharp or D flat. Someone requested for that key, so let me do it. I can do it in any other key, but you can transpose the progression to every other key. So for you to be able to play it in every other key, check out my beginner course where I've taught every key in 3 videos. You should be able to play the scale, form chords, form your inversions, and then use it in progressions. Alright, so thank everyone for being a part of this community. God bless you, and then don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. All right, so we're doing Alpha and Omega, the mighty God, the great I am. We worship you. Thine is the kingdom, the power and the let's start with the chords. It's a chord 1, 2, 3, 4 progression. It's that simple. So chord 1, I played it this way. So I can do. You could also play it this way. Alpha and Omega. So I play it this way so that when I'm playing a chord 2, I can play it this way. I play 2 and then a 4 here. Then I play a 2, okay, a 2 with a flat 5, right? So this is the 5, like this, and then I play a 1 over 5, like this. Okay, so let me start again. This is chord 1. Then I play a 2, but this time around this way. A 2 over, instead of playing the 2 like this, I'll just flatten this one like this. Then I'll now play a 1 over 5 before I move my right to 5 and then back to 1. So let's put it in context. Alpha and Omega, the mighty God, the great I am. We worship you. Alright, again. Alpha and Omega, the mighty God. Before you start the next one, you can play a 5 over 4. This is a 4 and a 5 like this. You most just at times use this when you want to begin a song. All right. Your name is Jesus. So let me end it and use that. Alpha and Omega, the mighty God, the great I am, the mighty one. Your name part from everlasting. That's a chord 5. From 4 to 3. Then back to 4. Then back to 1. From everlasting your name is Alright, so thank you for watching this tutorial too. God bless you for sharing, and keep on being a part of this community. God bless you.